Product photo editing is extremely important in 2026 because clean and professional product images can dramatically improve online sales, branding, and social media performance. Adobe Lightroom is one of the best tools for product editing because it allows photographers and business owners to improve lighting, colors, sharpness, background quality, and overall product presentation quickly and efficiently. Start by adjusting exposure, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks to create clean, balanced lighting. Accurate white balance is extremely important in product photography because customers expect realistic colors. Use vibrance, saturation, and HSL controls carefully to make products look attractive without changing their real appearance. The tone curve helps improve contrast and depth while keeping the product image clean and professional. When the edits look polished, export the final images using high-quality settings optimized for web or printing. And honestly, the best product photos usually depend more on strong lighting and clean composition than extreme editing. Lightroom works best when the original photo is already captured professionally, and that's your full guide on how to use Lightroom for product photo editing in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to create cleaner, sharper, and more professional product images using Adobe Lightroom.